Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Janelle Veronica and I post makeup videos twice a week, usually on Wednesdays and on Saturdays. So if you absolutely love your makeup, make sure that you subscribe and join the family here in Makeup Land. Now as you can see, the face is beat. It is serving fall glam. This lip, you're never going to believe how affordable this lip is. It is absolutely beautiful. The concealer that I use today, also from the same brand as the lipstick, so affordable and I'm in love. I love the way how this look turned out. I hope you guys like it as well. The lip is given. I absolutely love the lip. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna jump into the makeup and show you how I achieved this look. So I'm gonna start by priming my skin and get some makeup on my face. Now for my primer today, I'm going in with my Fenty primer. This is the Fenty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Primer. Alright guys, so primer is on and as you can see, that primer just blurs the complexions. My dogs are barking, but we're just going to ignore them. Hopefully they'll get the memo that I'm filming and they need to be a little quiet this morning. But as I said, that primer just blurs the complexion and it is a nice base, a nice primer for your foundation to go on top. Now for my foundation today, I'm going to go in with my Nars Soft Matte Complete Foundation. The shade that I use in this is Marquises, which is medium deep number 5. Let me give it a shade. I'm going to go in with my Real Technique sponge. Do you guys use a sponge or a brush to blend out your foundation? I found I used to use a brush, but even though I use a brush, I still used to have to still go in with a sponge afterwards. I find I get the best results when I blend out with my sponge. It's more seamless and smoother looking. Alright, so you all guys know I like to set in steps, so I'm just going to spray my foundation down to lock it in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. Alright, and if you're one of those girlies that don't powder your foundation down, this is what the Nars foundation looks like without any powder on top of it. Just a little bit of setting spray to lock it in place. I'm not one of those girlies. Excuse me, I have oily skin. I need to powder. I need to do everything possible to make sure that my makeup stays in place. I wish, because I love this look. It looks so juicy, so natural, so beautiful. But I need to go in with powder. Not that powdered makeup does not look beautiful, because it does as well, but this one just shows the skin a little bit more. Now for my concealer today, in my last video I used this concealer, which is only $3.99, and I think it's a dupe for the Too Faced multi-use sculpting concealer. This is so good, and I think it's a dupe for this one. This one is from Nicka New York Makeup. The shade I am going in with is number 10, and it's their Perfection multi-use concealer super coverage. How can something be so good and still be so affordable. Definitely give it a try. Go on the website nickaknewyork.com, I think it is. Check it out. This is shade 10 that I'm using. If you want a brighter one, you can go up to shade 9 if you want a brighter highlight. However, I'm going to let that dry down while I contour, and I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. So another concealer. This one is from L'Oreal. It's in the shade 445 Espresso, and I'm going to use that to contour my good old face. Just 1, 2, 3 dots. 2 dots. Forehead. I think I need a little bit more of that contour on my forehead. Alright, nice. So it's time to blend the concealer out, and as I said, this concealer, absolutely love it. All right, so complexion is looking good. I'm going to contour my nose. This is the Juvia's Place Shade Stick in the shade Catsina. For setting powder today, for the concealer, I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the shade Banana Bread. I'm just going to bake a little bit. To set my foundation down, I'm going to go drugstore. I normally go in with like my Fenty powder. I love that Fenty powder foundation to set my foundation down. But I'm going to go in with my next favorite, which is my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder in the shade 365 Nutmeg. Next is bronzer. For bronzer, I'm going to go in. I want a nice rich bronzer today. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe Glamabronze in the shade Prodigy. And as you can see, it's a nice rich bronzer. And this is my Ashley Lee P04 brush that I am going in with. Around the forehead. I'm also going to use that bronzer just to go over where I contoured my nose. I'm going to set down the bridge of my nose with the Huda Beauty powder. Alright, base is coming along good. How are we looking? How are we looking? Just baking a little bit. I realized, because I normally don't bake, you know. I'm not a baker. But I did it in one of my past videos, recent videos. And I absolutely love the way how the makeup look. So I'm like, I'm going to try it again today to see if I might be going back to my old ways of baking. Anyhow, let me do my brows quickly off camera. I'm going to come back and I'm going to get into an eyeshadow look, make it speedy, and wrap up this makeup look. Alright guys, so brows are done. I primed my lids for the eyeshadow with my e.l.f. concealer, the matte finish one. You're probably sick of hearing me say that, but this is what I always use to prime for eyeshadow. Let me just dust away this bit quickly. Now for eyeshadow today, I'm going to go with some browns and a nice shimmer on the lid. This is the Coffee Shop palette by Juvia's Place that we're going in with today. And these are the colors in the palette. We have some lovely different shades of brown and some beautiful shimmer shades to work with. So this is what we're going to work from today. I'm going to start by laying down a nice brown in my crease. So I'm going to go for, I think this is a nice one. This brown in the palette, I'm going to go for that one. That brown right there. I'm going to keep the eye look so simple today. I'm going to go in with this shimmer in the palette. This one right there. It has some gold in it because I'm seeing that gold showing up. Gonna go back in with the brown shade through the crease. Now I'm gonna go in with my bronzer, that Morphe Glamabronze, and I'm gonna use that to just smoke out my lower lash line. I want to go in with a shadow wing, so I'm going to go in with this very dark, it's like a dark going into black eyeshadow. I need a mirror, I need a mirror. going to sweep some of that same dark color along the lower lash line as well. Alright, so I want an inner corner highlight. So going back to the palette, I'm going to go in with this bronze. I think that's going to pop on the inner corner. Yep. Alright, so time for lashes. So let me just pop a pair of lashes on quickly. Alright guys, so lashes are on. They're on. It was a struggle to get them on today, but nonetheless, they're on. Alright, for blush, I'm going to go in with my Revlon powder blush in the shade Very Berry. I'm going to lock and set everything in place with the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. And setting spray is essential. It takes away that powdery look and makes the makeup look a little bit more skin-like and a little bit more natural. Plus, it does its job. It keeps the makeup in place. For lips, I'm going to go with a deep plum lip color. So I'm going to start by going in with the MAC Nightmoth lip pencil. For my lip color, I think this is like the perfect fall lip color. It's also from Nicka, the same brand as the concealer that I am in love with. This is the Nicka High Shine HD lip color, and the color is called Black Cherry. And it smells like cherry. That color is so beautiful. Wow. I really like it. This might be my new fall color, and as it says, it's a high shine, so it still has shine. You don't need a gloss over the top. This in a matte shade as well would be so lovely, but I'm going to work with this one for today. I absolutely love it. Yes guys, so this is the makeup look all complete. Nice, quick, easy, simple. I'm serving the fall looks. You know, your more neutral glam, not your big bright bold colors like your blues and your, well, green you can use for fall. Green is such a beautiful color for fall. I have to do a nice dark green look for fall as well. But anyway, I hope you had fun hanging out with me. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you like the video and you want to save it to recreate it, or if you want to save it because there are products that I used. Why is that so hard to say? If you want to save it because there are products that I used in the video that you are thinking about purchasing. Alright, so definitely check out nikkaknewyork.com. They have some good stuff. I follow them on Instagram. They're small, they're not as big as the big makeup pages on Instagram, but they have a cute page and I like what I've used from them so far. Alright, so thank you so much for hanging out with me for yet another video. Hope you had fun. Until next time, I want you to be fantastic, be fabulous wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.